My name is Mishra. Once again welcomes you to our Panasonic YouTube channel, Unwind the Chef in You. So here first of all I have taken vegetable, and it's a mix of vegetables of beans, peas, cauliflower and carrot, which I have boiled and kept aside. Next I'll be taking milk, 3 to 4 teaspoons of all-purpose flour, 50 grams of butter. Let's see what are the spices we are using. Here I am using only salt and black pepper powder. For topping I am using breadcrumbs. You can also use biscuit crumbs and little bit of cheese grated, and chili flakes and oregano. So first of all, what I have done, I have taken all the vegetables into this square shaped dish bowl, and I have just scattered all the vegetables. I have not yet any kind of spices or I have not used any kind of butter or oil. I have simply put the boiled vegetables into this bowl, and I am keeping it aside once again. And let me first show you how to prepare the white sauce, because we will be using a lot of white sauce for this recipe. So let's start how to prepare the white sauce. Here I am taking 50 grams of butter at first into a deep bowl. We need to take a deep bowl for preparing the white sauce, and let me tell you, I am going to melt it in microwave mode for 2 minutes. I am going to keep it for 2 minutes. Here I am using 27 liters of Panasonic microwave oven, and the function which I will be using is microwave function for preparing the white sauce. So here I am putting only 2 minutes for melting the butter. 2 minutes and then start. Now after 2 minutes, I'll take out the butter, the melted butter from the oven, and let's see. Yeah, the butter is nicely melted, and here I'm going to put 4 teaspoons of all-purpose flour, and mix it nicely with the butter, and again I'm going to keep it inside the microwave oven for only 1 minute. Start. After 1 minute, we can see the butter and the maida is mixed nicely. And now here I am going to put the milk. Now milk depends upon how much gravy you require for the sauce. How much of thickness you want to be in the sauce, that depends upon you. So you will have to put the milk accordingly, depending upon the consistency of the sauce. So here I am taking this much of milk and taking a little bit of it. Okay. Now I will use black pepper. 1 teaspoon of black pepper, a little bit more. Salt, half teaspoon. And again I am going to keep this inside the microwave for 2 minutes. Now let's see the milk. Now the milk has turned really very thick, and here I'll be using grated cheese, around 4 to 5 teaspoons of grated cheese. and again I'll keep it inside the oven for 1 minute in microwave power. After the sauce, the white sauce is poured in the vegetable, I'm going to sprinkle the breadcrumbs, or you can also use biscuit crumbs to the sauce. Now the oven is very nicely preheated in grill function, and here I am going to place the ball, the square dish, on the high rack and set the grill mode on. Again G2, press twice the grill function and bring G2, and then set the time 5 minutes and start the bell. Now the grill time is over and I am going to take it out. Now one thing, let me tell you that you will have to grill the recipe or the entire food after the topping is done, unless and until the topping turns or the cheese turns brown. You will have to grill till then. So you can see how wonderfully the color has come, the brown color has come, and here I am going to sprinkle a little bit of chili flakes